Hello there, everybody. So, I haven't really figured out what this video is going to be about yet, but I think I might just talk about how cute my cubby house is. This is my cubby house, and I've had it for quite some time now, It was a cubby house when I was little, when I was like a wee little child, and then it turned into a black shed, and like all these spiders were in here, and they were like, "This is my house," and I was like, "Ah!" And then, so I, just let them do their thing, because bug life. One day I was like, alrighty, well, I'm a teenager now. This little tiny room has 1,000 million times potential. So, I was like, oi dad, oi dad, oi dad.
We dad.
He's like, oi what? And I'm like, oi cubby house. Yeah, and he's like, yeah. So bam, next minute, it's clean. Started out way smaller, and I had like a mattress and a little bed on the wall that dad built, and it was heaps cute. And I was like, no, it's not big enough. I need big enoughness. So then my dad and my pop were like, alright, let's build you a fucking awesome stoner den. And I was like, really? Thanks guys! And then they did it. And here we are today. I've got, a big double bed, fluffy blanket with stuff all over it, it's dirty. And I've got, the lounge that's broken. So it's really useless, but it's good for holding stuff like clothes and shoes and stuff. And sometimes I let Spong sleep on it for a fee of $15. So that is that. And there's some cute cushions as well. I guess it's time to show you all just how good this cubby house is. No, that's not my cubby house, that's my eye. Sorry guys. Fooled ya! This is the table. Coffee table with TV, some boxes of Nangs, empty ones that I made into a little platform for the video camera to sit on. I think it's pretty well engineered. Look at that. Oh, yeah, girl. This is some unfinished painting. A cup with nothing in it. Got like a whole bunch of just drawings and shit. Obviously you've got your mushrooms. Some cute birthday cards. Oh, and then there's like a sneaky back door that like is not really that great. And this is the lounge. Then you got the other door. As you can see, some very nice artwork. So, pow! Out of 10, I would rate a 10 out of 10. Jokes, 1,000 out of 10. Nah, I don't know. The bed's a bit uncomfortable.